So this is the box that the HYLEORY all-season comforter comes in. Let's get it open carefully and check it out. There you go. Now you can see it comes in this plastic too. Let's get it out of that. And there you go. Right away I can see that it's super soft and lightweight, especially for how thick it feels. This is a 100% brushed fiber cover that's made with unique peach skin processing technology. That means it's ultra soft and fluffy. It's also noise-free and breathable. This is an all-season comforter with duvet insert. It's a 3D and 7D cooling goose down alternative fiber. So it fills the whole blanket, it's lightweight, and it's well distributed. You don't have to worry about any clumping in this. This has a box stitch quilting with corner tabs. That means nothing's going to leak out and there aren't going to be any loose threads. And it's machine washable with cold water. You can tumble dry it low on low heat. And I can't verify this yet because I haven't washed it, but it does say that it doesn't shrink after even multiple washes. And one thing that I like about it already is that it doesn't feel like it's gonna give off static like some other fleece blankets. Just this material here doesn't have that staticky textured feel to it. But on the other hand, it does feel like a material that'll be strong enough to stand up even to having dogs or cats or just, you know, your pets jumping up on it. It feels durable. And you can see that I got mine in the dark gray color. I really like it. You know, I know there's also a lighter, cooler gray, but I like this one right here. It looks really nice. Now, I just recently moved into this apartment, so forgive me for not having my bed frame built yet. But I want to show you how this blanket fits right here because I actually bought it, even though it's a twin, to fit this, which is a queen-sized bed, and you can see that it fits really nicely. If you buy something like the queen-sized comforter for a queen-sized bed, the edge of it right here is going to hang down much further. I didn't really care about that. I just wanted it to be big enough to be on top of the bed. So there you go. It looks like it fits. Again, this is a twin-sized comforter on top of a queen-sized bed, and it fits perfectly. And I gotta say, it's super comfy. It feels nice and soft and squishy, and it's really warm. This is exactly what I needed. I'm really glad I got this one.